How to fix Snapchat, something went wrong. Please try again later. Support code C14A. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your Snapchat application. It will lead you here to your camera section, right? Now the next thing is this error is actually caused by your Snapchat server and you cannot actually do anything about it to fix it, but you have to ask for a help from Snapchat community. And to do that is what you can do is here on the upper left, you'll see your profile or Bitmoji there. Tap on that and then tap on the gear icon or the settings icon and scroll all the way down up until you see the privacy controls. Now under privacy control, tap on clear data here and scroll all the way down up until you see clear cache here. So all you have to do is to refresh the application to basically you are going to refresh your server too and then tap on clear cache and wait for it. So Snapchat needs to restart, then tap OK. So you have to restart your Snapchat and basically it will fix your problem right away. Now, if it still doesn't work, then what you can do is to take a screenshot of it and go here to your settings and scroll all the way down up until you see spotted a bug and then go to profile. So under profile, choose a topic saying you're having a problem to the app is crashing and then go here to your and then briefly explain, say that you are having the code C14A problem and basically attach your screenshot for proof and then tap on submit and wait for the Snapchat community to get back to you and fix your problem. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.